Hello, this is Lady B. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing safe. This is my fish stew recipe. You want to see how I achieve this? Watch this video so you don't miss out. You can use it to pair ripe plantain, potato, rice, anything can go. So here I added my oil. I'll be adding my fish. So I'm using 3 different types of fish. That is my tilapia, scad, and mackerel. Feel free to use any fish of your choice. So I'll just add them in and I'll cover and allow it to fry. So I season my fish for 6 hours with salt. So this is it. This is the oil that I use to fry my fish. I added it in and I'll add in my diced onion and my shallot. I will just mix it and let it cook for 1 second so that the flavor can infuse. So this is my mixed spices. I will leave down in the description box the spices that I use. So I will also spice and keep it and stir for 1 second. So I added in my bay leaf. I'll be adding in my tomato paste. So I'll just stir and give it a good mix. And I'll cover it to cook on a low heat for 3 minutes. This is after 3 minutes. I added in my blended onion and my scotch bonnet. I'll cook it again on a low heat for another 3 minutes. Now I'll add the tomato puree. I give it a good stir. All my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming to watch me. I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please press the subscribe button, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you'll be the first to be notified. So this is my stew. It has cooked for like 30 minutes. So now I'll be adding in my fried fish. Like my video, share me out if you can. I will really appreciate it. I give it a good mix and I cover and cook it on a low heat for another 10 minutes. So this is our finished look. This is what our fish stew look like. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.